Are you building a progressive web app and running into issues with Chrome custom tabs? You are not alone. Today we're diving into why the add to home screen option might be missing and how to tackle this problem. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you are trying to enhance your app's usability, and features just don't work as expected. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, why doesn't the Add to Home Screen option appear in my Chrome custom tab? This is a common concern, and it raises an important point about progressive web apps and their compatibility. So, what's going on here? Chrome custom tabs are designed to provide a seamless experience, but they may not fully support all progressive web app features, including the manifest. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I've been share a workaround that might just solve your issue and enhance your app's functionality. To address the issue of the Add to Home Screen option not appearing in Chrome custom tabs, the user should first understand that Chrome custom tabs do not fully support all progressive web app features. Next, the user should check if the progressive web app manifest is correctly configured. This includes ensuring that the manifest file is linked properly in the HTML. The user should also confirm that the service worker is registered correctly. This is crucial for enabling offline capabilities and ensuring the app behaves like a native app. Lastly, the user can test the app in a regular Chrome tab to confirm that the Add to Home Screen option appears there. This will help isolate the issue to the Chrome custom tab environment. Fun fact: did you know that progressive web apps can be installed on your device just like native apps? They're the best of both worlds. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that Chrome custom tabs can show an Add to Home Screen menu item in recent versions of Chrome. They confirm that selecting this option will utilize the web app manifest data to create. However, they also mention that the automatic triggering of the web app install banner does not seem to work in Chrome custom tabs. They tested it and did not see the banner appear. Here is a quick tip. Always keep your app's manifest updated and tested in different environments. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road, and that's a wrap. With these insights, you should have a better understanding of how to handle the Add to Home Screen issue in Chrome custom tabs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.